Hello dear fans. How to find the second diagonal of a rhombus. A rhombus can be called a parallelogram, the diagonals of which have the angles at the vertices of the figure. In addition to this, the properties of the diagonal of a rhombus are remarkable in that they are the axes of symmetry of the polygon, intersect only at right angles, and a single common point divides each of them into two equal segments. These properties make it easy to calculate the length of one of the diagonals, if you know the length of the other and some other parameter of the shape, the size of the side, the angle at one of the vertices, the area, etc. Instructions. Step 1. If, in addition to the length of one of the diagonals, L, the quadrilateral under consideration is known to be a special case of a rhombus, a square, no calculations will have to be made. In this case, the lengths of both diagonals are the same, just equate the required value, L, to the known one, L equals L. Step 2. Knowing the length of the rhombus side, A, in addition to the length of one of the diagonals, L, will allow us to calculate the length of the other, L, using the Pythagorean theorem. This is possible because the two halves of the intersecting diagonals form a right-angled triangle with the side of the rhombus. Half of the diagonals in it are legs, and the side is the hypotenuse, so the equality following from the Pythagorean theorem can be written as follows: A superscript 2 equals L/2 superscript 2 plus L/2 superscript 2. For use in calculations, convert it to this form: L equals square root for asterisk A superscript 2 L superscript 2. Step 3. With the known value of one of the angles, alpha, of the rhombus and the length of one of the diagonals, L, to find the value of the other, L, consider the same right-angled triangle. The tangent of half of the known angle in it will be equal to the ratio of the length of the opposite leg half of the diagonal L to the adjacent one half of the diagonal L. Tg, alpha/2 equals L/2 /L/2 equals L/L. Therefore, to calculate the required value, use the formula L equals L/tan alpha/2. Step 4. If, in the conditions of the problem, the length of the perimeter, P, of a rhombus and the size of its diagonal, L, are given, the formula for calculating the length of the second, L, can be reduced to the equality used in the second step. To do this, divide the perimeter by 4 and replace this expression with the side length in the formula, L equals square root for asterisk P/4 superscript 2 L superscript 2 equals square root P superscript 2/4 L superscript 2. Step 5. Under the initial conditions, in addition to the length of one of the diagonals, L, the area, S, of the figure, can also be given. Then, to calculate the length of the second diagonal of the rhombus, L, use a very simple algorithm: double the area and divide the resulting value by the length of the known diagonal, L equals 2 *S/L. Thanks for watching.